Now area, what is meant by area? The amount of space inside the boundary of any closed region. Am I right? Yes. Now area of rectangle, if suppose let L and B are the two adjacent sides of the rectangle, then area of the rectangle is what? Length into breadth square units. Length into breadth square units. For example, length is 1.5 centimeter. It is 0.5 centimeter. Then what will be the area? 1.5 into 5. 1.5 into 0.5. Then it will be 15 5s are 75. Then 0.75 centimeter square. Am I right, dear? Yes. Then square, area of a square is nothing but side into side. Area of a square. Area of a square. Suppose if it is 2.5 centimeter, then the area will be, area of a side is what? Side into side. Area of the square is what? Side into side square units. Here the side of the square is what? How much it is given for us? 2.5. So 2.5 into 2.5 is, yes, how much? 6.25 centimeter square. It is the area of the square. It is the area of the square. Am I right, dear? Yes. Then area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. What is the definition of triangle? Any three-sided polygon. Three-sided polygon is called as what? Square. Suppose it is a base, it is height, then area will be half into base into height square units. Half into base into height square units. Then area, for example, base is 6.5 centimeter, height is 4 centimeter, then the area is half into 6.5 into 4. 65 to 130, so you have to correct one decimal place, then 13 centimeter square. 13 centimeter square. It is the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle is what? Half into base into height square units. Then parallelogram. After that, parallelogram. What is the property of a parallelogram? Yes, two pairs of opposite side should be parallel and equal. If it is base, then it will be the corresponding height. Then area is base into height square units. Base into height square units. For example, the base is given 2 centimeter, height is given 3.5 centimeter. Then what will be the area? Area of the parallelogram is nothing but 2 into 3.5. So 2 into 3.5 is 35 to 70. You have to correct one decimal place. So 7 centimeter square. It is the area of the parallelogram. It is the area of the parallelogram. Then, so we discussed what we discussed: square, rectangle, triangle, and a parallelogram. Now come to the next one, circle. What is meant by circle? Exact definition of circle. Circle. This is a fixed point. This is the fixed point. Collection of all points. Collection of all points which are equidistant from the fixed point. This is the fixed point. When you are finding the distance from the fixed point to any point on the circle, okay, So this distance will be equal. This distance will be equal. That means set of all collection of all points on the circle which are equidistant from the fixed point. Which are equidistant from the fixed point. Radius. What is the radius? Yes, the line segment joining from center to any point on the circle. This is the center. That fixed point is what? Center. The distance between that, otherwise the line segment joining from center to any point on the circle is called as what? Radius. Then diameter. What is my diameter? The line segment joining any two points on the circle and passing through the center This is the diameter. This is circle, this is center. These are the 2 points on the circle. The line segment joining any 2 points on the circle which passes through the center is called as what? Diameter. Diameter is nothing but 2 times of radius. From here to here it is r, from here to here it is r. The diameter will be 2 times of the radius. 2 times of the radius. Then circumference of the circle. What is that? Circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is nothing but 2 pi r units. Circumference of circle equal to 2 pi r units. The value of pi is 22/7 or 3.14 approximately. (22/7) or 3.14. It is 2 pi r units. I think it is not visible. It is 2 pi r units. For example, if the radius of the circle is given that 3.5 centimeter, what will be the circumference? Then circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Units. Then 2 into 22/7. Radius is what? 3.5. 1 7 is 7. 5 7s are 35. 2 into 5 10. That means 1 into 22 is 22 centimeter. Right. If suppose the diameter is given, like diameter is 49, but what will be the radius then? Radius is 49/2. Radius is what? 49/2. Now find the circumference. Circumference is nothing but 2 pi r. So 2 into 22/7. Radius is 49/2. Now simplify now. 7 7s are 49. 22 into 7. I think so 154 centimeter. What is that? 154 centimeter. Am I right? Yes. Then area of a circle. What is that? Area of a circle. Area of a circle is what? Pi r square. Square units. Area of circle. Pi r square, square units. Suppose the radius of the circle is 3.5 centimeter. Right? If the value of pi is not given, you have to consider as 22/7. Otherwise, if the value of pi is 3.14, it is given, you have to use that value. Right? Now area of a circle, pi r square, that is 22/7. 3.5 into 3.5. 177. 5 7s are 35. 22 into 5 is 110. 110 means you have to correct one decimal place, then it is 11 into 3.5. Here 10 into 35, 350. 1 into 35, 385. Then it will be 38.5 centimeter square. Am I right here? Now, suppose the diameter of the circle is given like 20 centimeter. Use the value of pi is 3.14. Find the area of the circle. Area of the circle is nothing but pi r square. Here diameter is given. Am I right? So we don't know the radius, but we can able to find the radius. How will you find the radius? It is nothing but half of the diameter, half of d. That means diameter is given 20/2, which is equal to 10 centimeter. Now the value of pi it is given 3.14. So 3.14 into r is nothing but 10 square. 10 square means what? 10 into 10. So 10 tens are 100. 3.14 into 100, which is equal to 314 centimeter square. 314 centimeter square. Okay, I think today it's enough for you. So we summarize all the concept in the chapter perimeter and area. The tomorrow I will assign some worksheet based on this chapter perimeter and area, and then day after tomorrow we will discuss the solution for the given worksheet. Am I right, dear? Yes. Thank you everybody. Thank you.